Welcome! In front of me I have Vivo Y52 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. Before we start, a quick side note. If you're planning to hard reset your phone, make sure that the battery level on your phone is at least above 30%. I would recommend 50%, but 30 should be good enough. If it's not, please charge your phone before you do hard reset your device. Okay, now we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu. Here, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system option. Here, tap on reset options, then select erase all data. Now tap on erase all data button and tap on it again to confirm. And now we need to wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this screen, that means that the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.